Hello, it's Mr. Carver, and in this video I'm going to go over how to use Engrade. So why check Engrade? Well, there's two great reasons to check Engrade. The first is to monitor your Kipster's grades, and the other one is to find any missing work or assignments that need to be redone. So to check your Kipster's grades, you're going to need your Engrade login. So there's a parent account and there's a student account, and you can contact your student's grade level chair for their login information. So if you need to do that, you can pause the video and send us an email now. Great. So once you have the login information, you can go to engradepro.com, log in with that username and password, and then check the class average for each of your Kipster's classes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now with an example account that I created. So I'm going to log in here, and I'm at engradepro.com. I put in my username and login. Once I log in, it'll take me to the home page, which shows all of my Kipster's classes and their teachers and then their average in each class. And there's only one average on here because this is just an example account that I created. So that's how you can find the average for each class. And next we are going to look at how to find missing work. So what you're going to do is click on the specific class that you want to see the assignments for, and any assignment with a 50M is missing because it has not been turned in. So the M stands for missing. And just know that grades are updated by Sunday at 9 p.m. So sometimes an assignment might be turned in a day late, and that probably won't be updated until that week at Sunday at 9 o'clock. So to find the missing work, you should know that within 5 academic days of the due date, you can turn in missing work to get rid of a 50M, and you can also retake assignments below a 70%. After those 5 academic days, the grade is finalized and it cannot be changed. I'm going to go through 3 examples of finding missing work or failing work and what to do to fix it. So example 1 is just a regular assignment that's done on paper. You're going to find the assignment on Engrade. You're going to print it out, or you can just complete it neatly on scratch paper if you don't have a printer accessible, and then resubmit that assignment within 5 academic days. So I'm going to walk through those steps now on Engrade. So let's say I want to look at my Kipster's math grade. My Kipster has an 85 and I want them to have an A. So I think, well, what can they do better? So once I click on the class, you can see all the assignments for this class, and they're broken up into categories for classwork, projects. You can see we have quizzes, tests, and life work. So those are the 5 categories. And I chose an assignment. Let's see. I want my Kipster to redo this modeling and equation classwork. So I would click on the assignment, and I can see as an attachment in the description, once I've clicked on the assignment, there's a link to a PDF, and this is the actual assignment. So if my student failed this assignment, I could just log in, find the assignment, and then print this off and have them resubmit this for a better grade. Or if I don't have a printer that I can use, I can just have them neatly complete this assignment on scratch paper. And please make sure to write down the name of the assignment if you're doing it on scratch paper. So I'm going to go back to the Engrade homepage and we'll look at another example. So what if the assignment that is missing is an online assignment? Well, what you need to do is talk to your teacher about redoing the assignment, because they might have to go on and reset the account or give you access so that you can do this assignment again. Then you need to log in at home or at school to do the assignment. If you don't have internet at home, that's fine. You can come in and do it in the morning time, or you can schedule a time with a teacher where you can redo that assignment online. Then finish and submit the assignment within 5 days. So for example, if I log in and I go to my Kipster's grade and maybe they need to redo their calculating your grade notes because, oh, it's a missing assignment, it's a 50M. I can just click that link, and then in the description it says students complete the notes and take the quiz online at edpuzzle.com. Log in using KIP email. So I could open this link, or if it gives a different website, you can just go to the website, and then once you log in, you can complete the assignment there. And here there's actually also an attachment, because when we did this assignment in class, there was a page of notes, so you could print these notes off or maybe get an extra copy from me and then go online and complete that assignment within 5 days of the day that it was due. One more example. We already talked about a regular assignment. We talked about an online assignment. There's one more that's important to talk about. So what if it is a test? Within 5 days, you need to talk to your teacher to reschedule that test, or maybe to get a corrections page. And you must do this at school because most tests cannot be sent home, and you've got to talk to the teacher within 5 days to reschedule the test. So if I log in and the grade that I find to redo is a test grade, let's see, I'll scroll down to test grades, get this out of the way. If I go to test grades and I say, oh, okay, my Kipster, they made an 88, but let's say maybe they failed the test. I could click on that, and then in the description it says, test corrections can be done to raise a grade up to 100% if all answers are correct. So that's just the policy in my classroom. And we don't actually do a test retake, we do a corrections page. So students already receive a corrections page with their graded test. To get another corrections page, see Mr. Carver. So that tells you exactly how to retake a test for my class. And you can do that. Just make sure that you do that test retake or the correction within that 5 academic day window.